Good morning. Woo!
Surrounding.
Oh my goodness. Smell that 93. Oh. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the top of my head. Decided we try a new kind of video and take the old Selena girl for a drive. Hope y'all can see good and I'm not like talking to the air, but figured we'd go take old Selena for a drive because she's kind of been sitting for a little bit, so let's get to it. Oh my god, don't scream. Oh yeah. But yeah, no, it was a good day here in you know, Mexico, so figured we'd just give Selena her old rippage. Don't really know what I'm saying, so you know, professional. God, man, those sounds never get old. Ever. Nuh-uh, never ever. You know, it's crazy because I remember being a lot younger and, you know, just getting into cars and not really caring about, you know, this model of Mustangs. I always thought they were like super overrated and stuff like that until I really hopped in one. It's really a game changer. Going from, you know, old shitbox 2 valves and SN95s and, you know, stuff like that. It's crazy. And the best part is, of course, hearing that Yodi just start screaming. What are you doing, bike man? Lady? Guy? What the hell? Now, I don't know if we ever brought it up in a previous video, but this car that I'm driving right here is a one of one. What does one of one mean? Let me answer that. One of one basically means there is no other car on the planet that is identical to this car. Now, yes, it is a Mustang. Yes, it's a 2020. Yes, it technically counts as a white label, as you can see over there. But we actually got word from Steve Saleen himself that this car was a one of one. Now, let me tell you why. The body parts on this car is basically a mix from the white label, the black label, yellow label, stuff like that. I'm not too sure how many labels there are, but there's a lot of labels. But this car is a mix of all of the different Saleen body parts. So the look on this car is unique. I think that is the coolest thing. And it's also signed by Steve Saleen right there. It's signed down here, I think. And it's signed in the engine bay. So pretty cool fact about this car that makes it, you know, a lot more special. Now, in my opinion, I think one of the coolest things, hopefully y'all can hear me, one of the coolest things about this car is this 10-speed. The 10-speed transmission that is in this car. It's almost like an illusion. When you get on it, it's like it never stops pulling. It's like it almost has infinite gears. It's so crazy. Oh my goodness. Hello. Alright. Let me give her a little beans here. Selena! You illegal car! What seems to be the officer problem? Let me talk to y'all about the handling on one of these cars. These cars, I have to say, being full of electronics, of course, it's gonna be nice, but the steering on this car is actually very, very responsive. It is in sport mode right now, so it's a lot more tight and stuff like that, but the steering is very, very nice. Now, coming from older cars, of course it's going to be nicer, but coming from older cars and stuff like that, it's very, very responsive and feels just super nice. That's another reason to get one of these cars. These cars, I 100% would say is the most worth it. One of the most worth it cars on the market right now. That's dirt. We're not gonna go there. All right, we're gonna plonk this old thing into the sport mode, which also means that the paddles are now working. Now, how do the paddles feel? How responsive are they? Thank you very much. That helps a lot with the commentary. How responsive are the paddles? Very responsive. All right, we're gonna pull out of here using the paddles. It's a little bit difficult for me to explain. It's very, I mean, I wouldn't say it's an insane amount of seconds off, but it's definitely not instant, and I don't expect it to be, but it's enough that I'm okay with it. Just like that, we're up to the 10th gear. But I appreciate y'all, you know, watching and hanging around and checking out the videos and stuff like that. We got a lot more to come for the Beamer. As y'all, if y'all go and check out, you know, some of the previous videos, it may be up there if future me can do stuff right for once in his life. The video should be up there. It might have disappeared, but if y'all want to check out the Beamer, the E36 that we are building, I think it's a 97. I'm not too sure. I'm not very smart on that aspect. But if y'all want to check out the E36, we are building it. We are planning to have it run at least a 9-second quarter-mile pass on the drag strip, and also be a daily car that you can take to McDonald's. So if y'all want to see that, go ahead and check it out. We got more videos coming on that as well. The engine we just took to Jacksonville to get it built, and it's currently, well, being built. So stay tuned and check out the monster that we're gonna make. But for now, hope y'all have a good one. Thank you for watching.